Hi everyone, welcome back to my series. In this video, I will show you how to use XLOOKUP with real datasets used by a company to answer real business questions. This dataset contains about 150 rows across multiple columns. By the end of this video, you'll be able to connect datasets and build automated reports like a data analyst. So we'll be using our XLOOKUP to extract information from our product lookup sheet. We'll extract our product name, category, and supplier. I'm also going to answer a business question using sum if function. And we are also going to compare our results using pivot table. So this is our final result. This is our final result. And this is our pivot table. So quickly, let's get started. So this is our data set. This is our sale data set. This is our sale data set. It contains the order ID, the product ID, the customer ID, the quantity, the unit price, the discount, the sale date, the region, the sale person, the channel, and the payment method, and the total sale. And this is our product lookup. Our product lookup contains our product ID, product name, our category, our supplier, the cost price, the selling price, the stock quantity, the launch year, the brand, and the rating. So quickly, if you notice, in a real company, data set is stored in different tables. So we need to connect it effectively to answer real business question. So we have a problem here, and the problem is that in our sale data, we only have product ID. We only have product ID. So we want to build a report and want to answer real business question. So we want to get our product name, our category, our supplier, our selling price. So with the help of our XLOOKUP function. So let's quickly get started. So let's write our XLOOKUP formula. So press your tab. So we want to get our product name from our product lookup table. So and the formula is our lookup value. So our lookup value will be our product ID. So using our product ID because it's the unique value in our table. Then our lookup array. So our lookup array will be the will be the value of our product ID. Then your comma. Then our return value, that is what we are looking for. We are looking for the product name. So the return value will be the return array will be our product name. So you select this product name. Boom. Then with that, you complete our bracket. Then you press enter. Boom. So we are able to use XLOOKUP to answer this our business question, which is the product name. So with that, we just drag it down to fill the rest entry. Boom. Perfect. So we have been able to answer this particular task by using our XLOOKUP to answer the product name column. So let's compare our answer and let's check our answer and see if we are actually correct. So let's check our product. So let's use our shortcut Ctrl and F. So let's check for our product ID of 3. Let's check find all. So our product ID of 3 is this, and this is the product name. Let's check for the product name. This is the ID. So let's check for the product name. So the product name is what? This product 3. So let's confirm it from our product lookup. So let's use our Ctrl F, then find all. Boom. You can see it's correct. So our answer is actually correct. So let's proceed. So the next is to answer this other question. the category. So we also use our XLOOKUP to answer this particular category. So XLOOKUP, press your tab, boom. So we select our lookup value. Our lookup value is the what? Is the product ID. Then our lookup array, go to our product lookup, select the product ID, boom. Put your comma. The next is the return array, that is what we are looking for. We are looking for the what? The category entry. So select the entire entry, boom. Then we close our entry. We close our formula, done. So we notice that the result has appeared. So let us do the same thing and drag it down and effect it to the rest entry, boom. Perfect. So we will be able to use XLOOKUP to answer the category entry. So now let's proceed to use XLOOKUP to answer the other entry, which is the what? The supplier. So we do the same thing, our XLOOKUP. Then we select our what? Our lookup value. So our lookup value remain the same thing, product ID, boom. Then put your comma. Then our lookup array, we select the product ID, entire column, then put your comma. Then our return array, we select the entire supplier entry, boom. Then you close our formula, then you press your enter. Perfect. So the next thing again, we need to effect it to the rest entry. We'll drag it down, boom. It works. So we'll be able to answer this particular question, the supplier. So let's proceed and do for the rest again. Let's also answer for the, let's also check for the selling price. Let's check for the selling price. So let's check for the selling price. Let's use our XLOOKUP again to answer this particular question. So answer the selling price entry. So our XLOOKUP, press your tab, then we select our lookup value. So our lookup value remain the same thing, product ID. Then put your comma. Then our lookup array, go to our product lookup, boom. We select our product array, then your comma, then our return array, that is what we're actually looking for. We're actually looking for the what? The selling price. Then you select the selling what? Price entry, boom. Then you close your formula, then enter. Perfect. So quickly, let's effect the formula for the rest entry. Then you drag it down, boom. It works. So we have been able to answer our business question and answer the tags of product name, category, supplier, and the what? The selling price. So now let's advance and progress to calculate the what? The profit. So let's calculate the profit of this what? Of our C data. So let's calculate the profit. Calculate our profit. So this is a new entry to calculate our profit. So, but we have a problem here. We don't have our cost price here. We don't have our cost price here, because for us to calculate our costs, for us to calculate our profits, we need to have our cost price. So quickly, we need to find the what? We need to find our cost price. So let's find our cost price. So let's use our XLOOKUP again to find the cost price. So write our formula, our XLOOKUP, then quickly our lookup value remain the same, our product ID, then your comma, then our lookup array, go to our product lookup, we select the entire entry, boom, then your comma, then we move to our what? Our return value is what? Our return array is what? Is the cost price. So quickly you select the entire array, you select the entire column, boom, then we close our formula, boom. So we have successfully answered the cost price entry, then we fill it for the rest, boom, it works. So now we have our selling price, we also have our what? Our cost price. Okay, so I think we are coming to a solution now. So now let's proceed by, let's add a new entry here. Oh, the mistake. Let's add a new entry here. Okay, so let's calculate our what? Our profit now. So we'll create a new column. So now we want to calculate our what? Our profit now, and this, and we're using our formula, which is what? Our selling price minus what? Our cost price. So quickly now, let's write our formula, equals to our selling price. We select this entry, then minus our what? Our cost price. Then you enter, boom. So now let's effect it for the rest entry. Boom, it works. So now we have answered a real business question by getting the word, the product name, the supplier, the category, the supplier, the selling price, the cost price, and also calculate our what? Our profit using, with the help of what? Our XLOOKUP, and with the help of our what? Our formula. We will be able to combine our XLOOKUP and calculate a what? And calculate the what? And calculate the profit in our what? In our C data. So now, so if you know you have not subscribed to my channel, so kindly do well to subscribe to my channel, and also comment in the video section, and also like the video. So let's proceed. So we notice that we're able to use one lookup value, and we're able to pull up our what? Our product name, our category, our supplier, our selling price, our cost price, and also calculate our what? Our profit. This is how real data analysis work in what? In company. So now let's answer our real business question. So imagine our real business insight. Now imagine a sales team is using sales data, and inventory team uses the what? The product lookup data. This is where XLOOKUP connects both together. So a mini task. So which category generates the highest total sale? So now we'll be using our what? Our category entry and our total sale entry to answer this question. But firstly, we have two methods that we can use to answer this problem. We can use the pivot table, and we can also use the sum if method. So our goal is which category generates the highest total sale. So now method one, let's use pivot table to test our results, and we're also going to use sum if function to compare our results. So now let's proceed first with pivot table. So now let's just come here, let's just insert our pivot table from table range, click existing, then go to our pivot tags, then just pick this entry, then you enter. Okay, you just press OK, boom. coming. Let's enter. Okay, let's do it again. Let's go to our pivot table. Existing. And click OK. Boom. Okay, now so we want to calculate, we want to know which category generates the highest total sale. So now what we just do, we select our category entry, put it here. Then also we also select our total sale. Boom. Okay, now so our result now. Now we notice that accessory has the highest sale. So now let's us sort it. Let's sort it by sum. Boom. Okay, accessory has the highest sale, followed by electronic, then followed by appliance. So now let's compare our results with our function. So let's use our sum if function to compare our results to know if it's the same thing and it's correct. So now let's use our sum if function now. Let's just copy this. Okay, let's just copy this. Then you come here. Then you go to your paste value. Then select your paste special and select your value. Then you click on OK. Boom. Okay. So now what next? We write our function. We want to compare our results. Shift it there. Okay. Now let's write our sum if function. So we are selecting our sum if, which is our sum range. So select the range where we have number, which is our total sale. Then we select our range, our criteria range, which is our category. Boom. Then you put your comma. Then our criteria range 2 is the accessory. So select the accessory. Boom. Then you close our formula. Then we'll enter. Boom. Okay. So now we have accessory to be this. Then what we just do next, we just drag it down. Just drag it down. Boom. Now we can clearly see that accessory category generates the highest revenue. This is how analysis quickly summarize large data sets. So any of the method you can use pivot table. You can also use sum if function. Let's compare our results. Notice that we have same value. We have same value, 0.5.2. Okay. For our electronic, okay. For electronic, okay. You can notice that it's the same thing. So now let's also do for this. Let's also answer this particular question. Which region generates the highest total sale? So now we can also answer this question again. Just copy this, our pivot table. Can also answer this question. Then you paste. Now, which region generates the highest total sale? Now, quickly, what you just do now, we just come here, we'll remove our category, then we'll select our region. Boom, it works. So now we're able to come to the conclusion, but let's sort our data first. Let's sort it from this. Okay, then let's sort in our sum. Boom. Okay, we notice that the east now has the what, has the highest generating total sale. Okay, okay. So now your task now is to do for the what, do for the sum if for the region entry, which region generates the highest revenue. So now in this video we work with three data sets containing over 100 rows and multiple columns, just like what you will use in a real company. We started by understanding the structure of the data set from the C data sheet to the what, to the product lookup sheet. We identified the key problem and how to connect both data sets using product ID. Then we introduce XLOOKUP. We learn how it works step by step. We using the lookup value, defining the lookup array, and returning the correct column of the information. After that, we apply XLOOKUP in practice way to get the product name, the category, the supplier, and the selling price. So if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. The data set for this video is available in the description below, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching.